The wireless version of the 600 frees the operator from the cable and collects data through an internal RF receiver. With greater freedom of movement and fewer cables to manage, the data collection task is easier to carry out. When an RF-equipped gauge is paired with a 600, a dedicated RF link is set up, not only from the gauge to a specific 600, but to a specific gauge address within that 600. A 600 can have multiple device addresses, each linked to a digital handheld gauge, caliper, micrometer, digital indicator, gap and flush gauge, true position probe, and more. This means the 600 can collect data from several devices without having to connect and reconnect cables to them. To illustrate, we have here a fabricated part, in this case a metal bracket, mounted and secured to a check fixture. A setup for an LMI wireless 2-for-1 has been entered into the 600 and the gauge is inserted. The 2-for-1 has two sets of contacts capable of operating at the same time. While one set measures the size of a protruding tab on the part, the other measures the contour. Connecting a cable is a step that has now been eliminated from the process for purposes of collecting these measurements and the hundreds that will follow. Now consider what happens when you run multiple tests on the same part. In our example using this fixture, true position probes are also used to locate whole center lines. The 600 calculates and stores the values recorded by each, as well as the differences between them. More probes are added. 8 different values are being recorded and transmitted to the 600. If each reading required the operator to connect and disconnect a separate cable, the process becomes susceptible to error. Wireless data collection simplifies the task, speeds it up, and of course, makes it more error-free. To have an ASI Datamite representative contact you with more information about the Wireless 600, simply go to our website Contact Us page and fill out the brief form.